Depot. All right, just pulled up the Home Depot here. I'm gonna get some MDF and some trim for a table I'm gonna build. So I bought some metal table legs from Amazon. I'm gonna make a workbench out of it, but really you can make anything you want out of it. You can make yourself a project table, hobby table, craft table, whatever you want to call it. So in my case, I'm going to use it for thrift buys and hacks. So if I buy something from the Goodwill, yard sale, flea market, OfferUp, anything like that, I can bring the item back, put it on the table, assess what I have, clean it up, dismantle it, refurbish it, whatever I want to do. The table is going to work perfect. Sanded plywood. 26 bucks. Compared to 32 bucks. So if you want to make your own table legs, walnut or maple, it costs you about $60 for 4 legs. It's perfect right here for trim. Get 2 of them, it'd be just enough for the table. Legs on the utility table. I installed the brackets to make the legs fold in. Put the peel and stick top on the table with the simulated wood grain. And next I'm going to put some trim around the outside perimeter of the table to kind of give it a cleaner look. But it is just too darn hot outside. 105 today. It's well over 100 degrees every day this week. So I'm bringing that inside the house and going to actually install the trim inside the house. Okay, got the trim pieces all cut for the utility table, and now it's just time to paint the trim and install it. Okay, for all intents and purposes, the table could be complete at this point. However, I like to put some cross braces on each end of the table just for added support. And for that, I like to get some threaded inserts, so I'm gonna have to make another trip back to Home Depot. But first, I gotta walk my dog and get that done. Okay, I got what we needed from Home Depot, some threaded inserts here, and some bolts to go into the ends. So how it's gonna work is I got some leftover pieces of wood. It's gonna go between the table here like that. The threaded inserts are gonna go into the end, and the bolts are gonna go into the side to hold the brace in place. And of course I'll paint it black. So that's the plan. Something like this. So the rubber table leg protectors came in. I'm gonna go ahead and put those on. That way the table doesn't slide around whatever surface I decide to use the table on, and also it won't scratch. Thing that's unique about this Amazon metal table leg build is that the table is only 24 inches high. Now, if you decide to build a table like this, you can pretty much select any size table legs that you like from Amazon, Etsy, anywhere like that, or just build them yourself. And also the table legs fold. So the reason I went with the shorter table is more of a bird's eye view when I look and work on my stuff, and also for videos. It just seems like a better option for myself personally, but again, you could go any direction you like.